my dears, hello my YouTubers, welcome to this channel. Natalia with you from Belarus. I'm really glad to be with you today, and I feel that I need to talk to you. It's important to me. Let's clarify some interesting topics today, and these topics are about relocation to Belarus. Let's start. I'm getting lots of questions all the time, and I see that more and more people, they want to relocate to Belarus, they want to get temporary residency permit, but sometimes they do not know how to do it, or they didn't pick up enough information to make a plan. This is very important. So first of all, make your research and develop a plan how you will do it, and what will be the basis of your TRP in the future. For example, I'm getting lots of requests that I want to buy a property. About the property, it's a huge topic which has to be divided into dozens of videos. If you have questions on this topic, please send me them below this video. I will do more videos about it. But if you want to buy a property here, it has to be livable, and you actually has to live over there. Or if you plan to buy a cheap house and live in another place, if you want to get TRP, you have to provide to migration office not only the documents for your property, but as well the documents 1 year rent for the flat of your living, where you plan to live during this year when you get these documents. Another important thing that if you arrive to Belarus always visa-free entry, it means that after buying a property you will have to leave the country and enter again with visa. If you need any help in consulting, I can provide it to you. Just drop me a line and we develop a plan of consulting service. Buying a business in Belarus. Let's talk about it, because sometimes people are not aware how to run this business over here, but they have somehow the illusion that they can do it even without knowing Russian language and so on and so forth. I have my own experience in helping my clients to open a business over here, and of course I know a lot from this sphere. First, I would like to say that, guys, if you plan to come to Belarus and run this business by yourself, learn Russian, because no one speaks English here. We have two official languages in Belarus, Russian and Belarusian language. It means that if you want to run business, you need to deal with locals in Russian language. What does it mean? If you can afford hiring a manager who will give you advices, who will run your business, it's okay. It can be a good plan. If you don't have this opportunity, it's an illusion that you will run your business in Belarus without connection with any locals, without Russian language. So what does it mean? Learn Russian language, and then you can make a plan how to develop your business and how to start your business in Belarus. To continue talking about business, I noticed that someone advertised different types of businesses here for getting TRP, but you do not make any research in the spheres, which business is profitable, which is not. And I've seen some people, not my clients, who got this service of getting TRP, and they bought business which is not profitable, and in the future it cannot be developed. For example, if we talk about beauty sphere, about beauty salons, or any restaurants, and so on and so forth, it is important to make this research before starting the business. Research in the sphere. Actually, if you need any help, I will be glad to guide you and explain which business is good for the future, which is not. Another sphere is farming. As well, I'm getting lots of requests like, Natalia, please, I want to be a farmer, I want to land, and so on and so forth. This is an illusion as well. If you don't have a particular plan, how are you going to develop it? If you do not have a manager, a local farmer, it will be a total collapse in the future. For example, if you want to become a farmer in Belarus, start from cooperating with any local farmer here, any local successful farmer in Belarus. Maybe you will not get profit as soon as you want, but actually this is one of the safest way. I can make another video on this topic. Leave your questions down below this video, and probably we will talk about it. So if you want to start business, it is good, but make a plan and make a research before you buy or start new business in Belarus. And of course, one of the easiest way to get TRP in Belarus is to buy Russian language courses at some of our universities. There are different prices for 1 month Russian course, and I know a few universities for cheaper prices, and there are a few universities with prices over medium. It's up to you. I can provide you this information, and you can get a student visa for the arrival to Belarus. And then after this student visa, when you pay for the course, you will get TRP, so you will be a student. You will get the status of a student in Belarus, which is also good for the start. What do you think? Leave your comments down below this video. What else? I forgot what I wanted to share with you. And one more popular question, that, Natalia, I want to buy a cheap house close to Minsk. Guys, if you plan to buy a house closer than 100 kilometers away from Minsk, this is the field of interest of all our locals, because they buy the houses in this area not far from Minsk for their personal needs, to use them as summer cottages and so on and so forth. Don't keep this illusion that you can buy a cheap house very close to Minsk. If there is a point of the price and you are searching for a cheap house, it will be like in 3 hours drive from Minsk. Okay, minimum two and a half. Only in such areas you will find a cheap house. Otherwise, you will pay more. If you want to buy an apartment in Minsk, of course, it will be the most expensive price for nowadays. I mean, to compare with the rest of Belarus. The situation on our market is not bad, so people are coming, they invest their money, and they buy new apartments, they start to live here. So I can see that we have a very good dynamic here in Minsk, and not only in Minsk. Well, I made this short video just to clarify main mistakes or illusions about Belarus, about relocation to Belarus. I continue this topic. Leave your comments, ask me questions, contact me in WhatsApp. See you in my next video, guys. Пока!